Okay guys, so in this video we're going to talk about how you can block some website in your PC. So if I go to facebook.com, as you guys can see, if I go to facebook.com, it will run in my PC, as you guys can see, and instagram.com, it is also running, right? So I'll tell you how to block some website. You can just block any kind of website in any kind of PC you want. You just have to follow these steps. The website can be any, guys, so you just have to get the link of the website or the URL of the website which you open, then you can just block it. How to block it? Just minimize your browser, go to search, or you can just go to file explorer if you want. We'll go to that, then go to this PC, then go to Windows C where your Windows is installed, then go to Windows, then go to a folder named system32, and in the drivers folder, guys, we will see a etc file here, folder. Then here's a host file. This is the file, guys, which will redirect us to any kind of host. So I will also explain to you how this happens so that you guys can also know. So we'll just copy this file right now, continue. As you guys can see, it's pretty moved, so we don't need to move it. We'll just copy it again so that we have a backup of that. Okay, so just right click to this file, then go to edit in notepad. When you go to that, as you guys can see, so these are the IP addresses, and this is the, guys, domain, you can say. So whenever we type something in our browser, like we type instagram.com, our browser or our PC basically doesn't know that where the www.instagram.com is. What DNS does, it resolves it to an IP address so that we can reach there. So instagram.com will have an IP address. Okay, you can just check it by doing, by going to CMD and stuff. So we'll not dive into that. We'll just, keep a basic knowledge that these domain names have an IP address. Okay, so what we will do is we will type the IP address which is the local host. This is the loopback address of our PC, and we can type here www.google.com. It will block Google, so we don't want to block Google. We'll go to www.facebook.com, and it also has another domain name, guys, which is the only facebook.com. So we will also loop back it, as you guys can see. So now what will happen from now on, let me tell you. Whenever we type facebook.com or whenever we type something called www.facebook.com, it will not resolve to an IP address. It will check our host file and it will redirect us to the loopback address, and this address is basically your PC. So it will not go to facebook.com, is what I want to say. Let's save this file and then let's replace the file, guys. I will replace it, replace that, and continue. Okay, so guys, now the file is pasted. I will open Google Chrome again. Now I will go to facebook.com and it will not work because it is loop backing, guys. As you guys can see, facebook.com is properly blocked in our PC. We can also type www.facebook.com. It will not work, as you guys can see. If you want to make it work again, then you can just edit the host file. I hope you guys understood this video. Thanks for watching.